Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Anurag. You're watching daily tutorials. So if you are wondering that home to find how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi connection, then you can watch my most viewed video on the YouTube channel. Otherwise, you can watch this video till the end. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can find how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi connection and how you can find their MAC address and how you can do the stuff. So for this, stay tuned to my video. Let's continue through the application. So if you want to know about who uses your Wi-Fi, then you have to install this application on your Android device and you have to connect your mobile phone with your Wi-Fi address. So this application name is WUM Wi-Fi. You can download it from the Play Store. It's safe and easy to use application. The layout is simple. You will see the screen when you will open it. All you have is to click on this yellow button and it will automatically start scanning. So what it does, it scan all 254 IPs that can be accessible by any device to connect to your Wi-Fi router. So once the scan will complete, you will see that how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi and how many devices are actually using from your all these three devices connection. One is so my router and you can see the IP address and once it will scan you will see all the number of devices here you will see and the second one is my Mac and the third one is my Android device. So you can easily see how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi so that your Wi-Fi will not be stolen and you can get the full speed as you want. So I think you may like this video. If you want to know that how to block these devices, then you have to watch my next video. The link is in the description box. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time.